In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from QuickBooks. If you need to record money being taken out of a bank or cash account in QuickBooks Online, this process is simple once you know where to go. The key is to enter the withdrawal correctly as an expense, so your records stay accurate and your account balances reflect what actually happened. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're in the correct company file before entering anything, especially if you manage more than one business account. This helps prevent transactions from being recorded in the wrong place. Once you're on the main dashboard, click the New button. This is where QuickBooks lets you create different types of transactions. From the menu that appears, select Expense. This option is commonly used when money is leaving one of your accounts, so it's the right place to record a withdrawal. Next, choose the bank or cash account you want to withdraw money from. This step is important because it tells QuickBooks exactly which account should show the decrease in funds. Be careful to select the correct account, especially if you have multiple bank accounts or a petty cash account set up in your books. After that, enter the payee. The payee is the person, company, or entity receiving the money. If the payee already exists in your QuickBooks list, you can select it. If not, you may be able to create a new one as you go. Then, enter the payment date and the payment method. The payment date should match the actual date the money was withdrawn, and the payment method helps document how the withdrawal happened, such as cash, check, or another method available in your setup. In the Category Details section, select the appropriate expense account. This tells QuickBooks how to classify the withdrawal for reporting purposes. Choosing the right category is useful for accurate bookkeeping, expense tracking, and cleaner financial reports later on. Now, enter the withdrawal amount. Double-check the number before moving on so you avoid mistakes that could affect your account balance or reports. Once everything is filled in, review the transaction details carefully. Take a moment to confirm the account, payee, date, category, payment method, and amount are all correct. A quick review here can save time fixing errors later. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close. That records the withdrawal and exits the transaction screen. And that's how to withdraw money from QuickBooks. Thanks for watching.